Hello, today we're going to review how to add an online assessment to Think Central. First, go to Think Central, log in into your account, click on Browse, select your grade level. Today I'm going to use first grade. Click on Program Structure, select your unit. I'm going to try Unit 1, Chapter 5. Click on Chapter 5. Select Core Math Chapter 5 Review and Test. Click on the gray words. Select Core Instruction. Scroll down to PMT Chapter 5 Post Test. Press Assign. Press Add. If you want to assign it directly, modify to modify the resource. Complete the fields. Select your class. Add all. You can change the date if you like and the time. You could add a password or select whether you want students to be able to see their responses. You could adjust the mastery levels and standards. Press Save. Press OK. And it's right there, it has been assigned. This is what students will see when they log in. They will go to Things to Do, and their Chapter 5 test will be available for them to complete. Please let me know if you have any questions.